Welcome back to Bike Insider, your go-to channel for in-depth bike reviews, insights, and everything you need to know about the latest rides. Today, we're diving into one of the best beginner dirt bikes on the market for young riders, the KTM 50SX. Whether you're a parent looking to introduce your child to motocross or a young rider ready to hit the dirt, this bike promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's take a closer look. Overview of the KTM 50. The KTM 50SX is an entry-level dirt bike that's perfect for kids aged 4 to 10 who are just starting out in motocross. Built with the same quality and performance that KTM is known for, this bike is designed to offer young riders a taste of real motocross racing. It's not just a toned-down version of bigger bikes, it's a true racing machine, just in a smaller package. With high-quality components and KTM's signature racing DNA, the 50SX is an incredible choice for those stepping into the world of off-road riding. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KTM 50SX lies a 49cc two-stroke engine that packs plenty of punch for its size. This engine is liquid-cooled, ensuring that the bike runs efficiently even after hours of intense riding. The automatic single-speed transmission makes it easy for beginners to focus on riding without the complexity of gear shifting. This feature is crucial for young riders, allowing them to concentrate on mastering balance and control rather than worrying about gear changes. The power delivery is smooth, and the bike offers enough performance to keep up with more experienced young riders. Frame and suspension. The lightweight steel frame is sturdy enough to handle the bumps and jumps of motocross tracks while remaining manageable for young riders. The WP suspension system ensures that the bike glides over rough terrain with 205 pm of front suspension travel and 185 pm at the rear. These high-end components make sure that the ride is comfortable and smooth, even on the most challenging surfaces. Whether your child is just learning the basics or tackling their first track, the KTM 50SX delivers consistent, reliable handling. Brakes and safety. Safety is a top priority for any young rider, and KTM has made sure the 50SX is up to the task. The bike comes equipped with high-quality hydraulic disc brakes, both front and rear, giving young riders plenty of stopping power. The brake